exports from automotive to textile to agro products to pharma. So the thing here which I wanted to highlight is that this is coming not as a threat. Okay, like earlier when it was discussed, and I also was getting feedback, like taking feedback from BSA guys and DT guys. They said like a lot of things are rolling, a lot of policies are being changed, and it is for the setting up a much more fairer environment across the globe. So what I would like to highlight here is that this is an opportunity for retailers and system integrators to approach their customers, especially those who are dealing with US markets. Here, if you are using a legal software, it is going to be beneficial, because once this policy, at least 2 states have passed it, but rest 36 in line, so that will make it 38, and US has around 51 states. So if this is going to be extended into European markets, even Indian government is also rolling out certain policy reworks. So once this is in place across, and even one of your customer is targeted for usage of illegal practice or illegal software, he will be barred from doing trade, apart from the fine. So that is the level or the kind of extent of punishment it might have on the customer. So this you should see as an opportunity wherein you can always extending to the thought that we are having, what Deepak was saying, what Jiten Bhai also said, about educating your customers to, if already existing customer also, if they are into exports, this is a very good time to start the activity of moving them from using illegal software or pirated software or even hardware, to getting onto the legal side of it. So I think that itself will give you a lot of scope.
This opens up a whole new market for us.
I think this law has been, this act has been in process since 1.5 years, and I think before our competitors go and tell about this to the companies that are exporting services and products to US, if we do it, we make money, otherwise they make money. Once this is out in the public domain, we will lose against the people who are volume pushers. So I think this could be a great opportunity.
The last update came on, it was on this January, and I think even Indian government is also has revived their cyber security policy, which I think I can share the draft with you guys. We should check into it and some other things.
Very nice. Thank you, Prashant, for sharing this with us. And guys, we are absolutely running out of time. But before, I think Sampath, who's the most vocal guy around here, he has been, pinching me कि यार मुझे mic नहीं दिया. So I think, for the general benefit of everyone.
This is not a question of Microsoft, it's for Tally. Don't worry about that. And thanks Prashant for that. Tomorrow morning I'm getting an order for 5 Windows licenses because one of my customers deals only with US.
Okay.
So that was a good, interesting.
I have one more thing to add. Actually, if you guys are also software developers, BSA has a site where you can register. Just noted down the name. It's called
LMR 360.
LMR 360.
Yeah.
If you register your software and then you can legally trade it in any country you want to. You can even sell it. So it's something which you guys should check up, and there are a lot of guidelines and policies
We are
there.
having a session with BSA.
Yeah.
Next week.
I should sit down.
This question is for Tally. About, I think it was 10 or 12 years back, there was, I think, almost 90% piracy of Tally. Everybody used to have the Tally 4.5 running off the floppy disks, if I'm not mistaken. Huge piracy problem. So Tally came out with this, they reduced the price to a ridiculous level. They brought down Tally to 4,500 rupees for single user, and I think multi-user also 10,000. Yeah.
11,000.
For okay. I ended up buying, and I sold at least about so many copies that we got that gold. You used to have the gold coins over there. The sad part is we didn't get the gold coins because the gold price went up, so they gave us the exact amount over there. But that's besides the point. After that, each and every of my customer has got a legal Tally. Not a single person. I think the piracy levels have gone down to how much? I think negligible levels today, because today everybody wants a legal Tally. And the best thing was the chartered accountants get the auditor's version of Tally, I think free.
Yeah, free.
Yeah? Yeah, at a very good price. And those guys are the biggest piracy guys having Tally piracy over there, that's chartered accountants. So they also tell us go and buy legal Tally. So if this same thing could be done, it's a small company, it's a small Indian company like Tally has eliminated piracy. One more thing is every year you're going to keep on updating that. Okay, you don't update, still your software works over there. But if the tax law change or something, you have to have that stat file, others will not be able to work on that. So if Microsoft could do something like that, I'm sure, they had this thing, BRIC nations, I think Brazil, Russia, India, China. There are some special SKUs which are coming out for them at a very reduced price. I'm 100% sure you can bring down your piracy levels to, you can earn crores of rupees. Bill Gates can maybe donate some more money to Rotary. I'm sure this could be done. I've been saying this for the last 10 years, nothing has happened.
One second, let me add one point to that. I think you must have sold more Windows licenses with that 2,700 rupee schemes than you would have sold across in the last 10 years across India. And I'm very sure that you are aware that even people using pirated Windows have upgraded and Microsoft site has allowed them to upgrade it.
Just turn it off. Turn it off.
बंद कर
बंद कर लो.
Now if you want. Okay, guys, I think, one thing is for sure. We are missing out on great opportunities in selling software. Because, let's say, everyone wants to say that there is 64%, 98%, 99%, 96%, whatever the percentage may be. The fact is that there is at least more than double hardware that is with pirated software. At least. And Satish may go with whatever IDC and whatever figures. Let me tell you that it has to be more than 92% at least. At least when it comes to MS Office, it could be much more. Now, the fact is that, how many of you have heard the David and Goliath story? Can I have a show of hands? Everyone has heard the David and Goliath story. So, the difference was, the villagers were told, Goliath is there, let's hit him with the stones. And the villagers would say that nahi, itna bada hai, marenge kaise? He is too big to hit. And David said, that kahin se bhi maro usko lagega, he is too big to miss. So the opportunity here is too big to miss. Let's start throwing stones. Let's start pitching for the software. Is that what you want, Satish? Okay, so that's what Satish wants, and though we are running out of time, let me just give the mic for a minute to Mr. Arvind, because Sam touched a raw nerve in Mr. Arvind about the gold coin. No, one second. So let it come directly from Vice President of Tele.
Definitely not the wrong now, sir. You have tricked me right now. So actually I'm in this part of the stage and I'm not supposed to take up many of the topics which came on Tally. Definitely I'll talk to Kritish and see when I can set one more forum to actually talk about Tally, that is fine. But only thing which I couldn't resist is a statement which came little on the values of my company, which is honesty and integrity. So, and I want to correct it, nothing from him. He made a statement that we offered gold coins and for change in rates we gave him cash or something like that, which I don't remember. So in case something like that has happened to you, please let me know what is that, and I would love to ensure that that gap is taken care even today with all things. And if something like that has happened to all of you, please let me know so that I stand by it and I'll correct it. That's the only thing which I want.
Thank you. With this, I will hand over the mic to Chetan to do the final part of the thing. So, guys, whoever are standing over there can come back. We are not going to take this any further. Yeah, Chetan.
Okay, first of all, thank you to all the panelists. Jiten, you really made a very, very compelling statement so that everybody else. So friends, a lot of money, in fact, money to be made only if you are into software with services is the last final message that we want to give. Thank you everybody for being on the stage with us. We really appreciate your time. Thank you. Friends, I have just 2 more minutes. I would like to play the CRN video. It's just less than 2 minutes. It's a great forum that's happening in November. So just bear with me for some time. Everyone, can we have you here? you.